better to be good at academics than to be good at sports. Why? Who has a reason? Yeah? Okay, let's not the same. Sports? Alright.
I think it is better to.
Louder?
I think it is better for you to be in sport because nowadays sports team
Athletes.
have so much money.
Good. Now, Madame Solange is
Academics have
little money.
difficult to find job.
She's making a great point. She's saying it is better to be good at sports than academics because athletes earn a lot of money, and that's true. For instance, look at football players. People earning £150,000 a week. Who has a different idea? Who supports academics? Academics?
But I will say,
Yeah.
it depends on
It depends on.
the purpose of every individual.
It depends on the purpose of every individual.
Of individuals, because when you want to be a great scientist,
A great scientist, you need academics.
good at academics,
Definitely.
sport.
Also doctors, also lawyers. Okay? She has a point, you also have a great point. But the truth is, in the present world today, sports pay more. Alright? It doesn't mean academic doesn't pay also. Doctors earn a lot of money. I work with some cosmetic surgery doctors that make a lot of money. Alright? That's good. Okay, 3, Vivian. Students should be required to wear uniforms. Students should be required to wear uniforms, which also means students must wear uniforms. Now, do you agree or disagree? Students must wear uniforms. I agree.
I agree.
Why?
Because if their uniforms,
Because if they wear uniforms,
because if they wear uniform, they will his school students.
beautiful. She's saying, that's a good one, Vivian, beautiful. Vivian is saying wearing of uniforms is important because to distinguish which school from which school. Are we together? Good. Who has a different idea about this? Who supports or who disagrees with Vivian?